Today guys, we're going to be discussing the 3-day split. Why it's my favorite training routine, why I think you should be doing the 3-day split, how you can make the 3-day split fit around your lifestyle. But there's also the 4-day split. I'll be doing that next week, and I'll also be doing a 5-day split as well. No matter your lifestyle, your situation, I will find a routine that fits around your lifestyle so you can train hard and get the physique that you want. Now let's jump into the 3-day split. To put it simply, the 3-day split is just putting your training into 3 days, splitting it over 3 days. Now the problem with this is that it does take a little bit longer, so you need a bit of extra time in the gym. If you're short on time, that's where the 4-day or the 5-day split might be better for you. But if you've got that bit of extra time and you really want to change your body, I'd recommend going for the 3-day split. Now let's jump onto the whiteboard and let me show you how you can make the 3-day split work around your lifestyle. With the magic of the clap, we'll have a nice table on there. Now on the whiteboard you can see we've got Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. Then we've got each row represents 1 week. I know you're looking at my graphics, you're thinking, he did GCSE graphics in school. You're damn right I did. That's why I learned those skills. Anyway, jumping back onto the routine. Why I love the 3-day split. If you're limited on days, you've got shift work, you've got family, you've got kids, and you don't want to spend too much time in the gym, you can split it up over 3 days. On Monday, you can do, let's get another colour. On Monday, you can do chest, triceps, shoulder. Tuesday, you can do legs, and then Wednesday you can do back and buys. Now some people say you only need to train your muscle group once a week. I would say you need to be hitting them twice a week. Now if I was doing this routine, I could either take a day off and I could repeat Friday, Saturday, Sunday, and then take a day off on Monday. Start again, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, take a day off, and then hit the 3-day split again. And just keep repeating that cycle for 6 weeks. And that's pretty much simple. Or guys, you can do what I do. I do a cardio day on Thursday. We'll put a triangle to represent my cardio day. I do a weighted pull-up dips and weighted squats on a Friday. So we'll put a square to represent that. Then on Saturday, what I do, wherever I'm lacking, I do that extra on the Saturday. Now you're probably thinking, he said hit each muscle group twice a week. You're right. On that weighted day, I'm hitting all my muscle groups again. So I've done them twice a week. And then the muscle group that is lacking, that I'm trying to grow more, I'll do it again on Saturday. Now some people might say I'm overtraining, but for me it's kind of working. So what I will do again, I will do legs on Saturday and have Sunday off. And I'll just repeat that cycle for 6 weeks. Pretty much it. I'll do 1 week of high reps. So I'll do 9 reps on the first set. Then I'll do 6 reps. Then I'll do failure. Last set. Simple as that. On the high reps, I'll do 18 reps on the first set. 18 reps on the second set. And then to failure. I might not even increase the weight that much as well. So I'll do maybe a couple of weeks of really heavy weights, and then I'll add 1 week of high reps. So that's 3 weeks, and then I'll do the same again. I'll just repeat that 3 weeks. Now, if I really wanted to get into shape and really get rid of some of that belly fat, I'd obviously have a top diet, sleep a lot, but I'd add a lot more cardio days into my routine. So what I would do, I would train Monday's routine here. We'll just put a square for weights, save me having to write it again. Then I'll do a cardio day. Then I'll do another training day. Then I'll do another cardio day. Then I'll do another training day. And I'll do another cardio day. Quite cardio intensive. But I'm not going to put a lot of muscle on in this. My main aim here is to get lean and shredded. So maybe before summer comes up, 6 weeks before the heat starts to come out, we jump into this routine. But this is the perfect routine for building muscle and getting into shape. Now this extra day you don't have to do, so that's up to you, but I like doing it like that. Or if you're really overweight and you really want to get into shape, I'd probably start with this routine. But this is my favorite routine. The good thing about the 3-day split is you don't have to do it on Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. You can do it like this, Monday, Wednesday, Friday. You can do the 3-day split on Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday. Like I said, you need to be hitting your muscle groups at least twice a week. But if you can't, if you're hitting them once a week, that's more than enough. I just think to get the gains and the results will take twice as long. I think you can get good results within about 12 weeks with that routine. I think with this routine, you're looking about 6 months before you see any kind of good shape and any kind of results. But with this one, I think you can really change your body over the next 9 to 12 weeks. And I'll help you to do that. So this is the 3-day split. Just split it however you want. Around work, around lifestyle, around family. Whichever way you feel you can get your days in, do it. Why it's so good? Because the 3 days you're smashing everything. And if you're working hard, you will see the results in the end. I just think if you're just doing 3-day split, no cardio and not an extra day, I think your body's not going to grow to the level it should do. Depending on your body type, depending on your genetics, depending on your lifestyle and everything that you're doing, this might be enough and you may be able to achieve the body that you want. If you're sleeping right, eating well, not doing stupid things, not partying on the weekends, you could probably get a good physique within about 12 weeks. But guessing that you live a normal lifestyle and we all got to do stuff that we got to do, it'll just take a little bit longer. If you go for this first routine, I think you can see results in 12 weeks. If you're holding a little bit of extra weight and you need to do a little bit of extra cardio and you really want to get shredded, I would go for this one over 12 weeks. 3 days of training, 3 days of cardio. Quite simple, looking after your cardiovascular health, but you won't gain that much muscle. This is the one to gain muscle. This is one to get a bit more shredded. This is the one for the busy lifestyle. So these are your days off. You've hit it. You might do a Monday, Tuesday, and a Saturday. It doesn't matter as long as you're doing it over the 3 days. Now you can do chest, triceps, shoulders, or you can do chest, biceps, and shoulders. Whatever you like doing. I like doing chest, triceps, and shoulders together. That's why I do it that way. I like doing legs on a separate day. I just want to focus on my leg. Your back's quite big, so sometimes I'll just do back. I might even throw biceps on that day. Just to do whatever you feel comfortable with. So that's the 3-day split, guys. I hope I've made it clear for you. I hope I've clarified a few things for you, and I hope I've made it easier for you to design your 3-day split. So guys, if you need help with your 3-day split, just put in the comments. Just let me know your age, your lifestyle, what you want to achieve. We'll build a nice 3-day split up for you, your reps, your sets, etc. If you want one-to-one coaching, I also offer that. The link's in the description. So every day we take each day at a time, becoming better men, becoming better individuals, becoming successful. You know, money is quite important, and improving your physique is the easiest way to become better. It's the easiest way to level up. It's the cheapest way to level up. Once your physique comes a little bit better, we can look at how you can improve your face, your beard, your hair. Obviously my hair is a bit rough at the moment, but I can show you how to trim your beard and stuff like that. There's loads of little things that we can discuss over the coming months. Just to become a better individual, look a little bit better, look a little bit smarter, be a bit more presentable, and make an impact in this world, because I know you guys can. You've got so much to offer. You've got me as a brother who's here to help you achieve and help you to success. I've rambled on long enough, guys. So let's just say that's it for today's video. And hopefully, if you like this type of content or just generally talking content, let me know in the comments and we'll do some more videos and get you on your way to success and freedom, guys. Take care, stay blessed. I'll see you on the next one.